Hey guys, so today I just thought of coming up with this tutorial video. It's a girl's face with a linen over her head. It's just a quick sketch and I'll be showing you how to do it in the process. Very easy. If you're a beginner, you'll love this. If you are starting to do your sketches or learning to do your sketches, this is one of the easiest things you need to start by drawing or coming up with. So we'll start by sketching the linen of the face by this curve, right? Like this. Wait a minute. I adjust this camera. The light is not well. Yeah, I think that is fine. So after drawing the linen, you'll now trace out or figure out how the face will look like. So you drawing the face, you draw the forehead and you slightly curve it to make the nose. You slant it and you make the lips. And yeah, you'll be done. After making the chin, we'll make the eye first. Yeah, the eye should be in the same line with the nose, so we'll put it here. The eyes are a little bit closed, so you just make the top skin of the eye to be closed. So that is what the mark is for. And we'll make the line for the eyelashes and we put the eyelashes there. Remember, this is only but a sketch. Also the left eye, you put it there, but it's just protruding a little bit. To make it in 3D very well, you complete the eye, giving it a good 3D and realistic look. Yeah, so we'll finish the linen going back of the head, but just a little bit. In this video, I was just focusing on the face only. Yeah, so that's how it looks like, the linen going backwards. Yeah, it's very easy. As you can see, any beginner can do this. So after doing all that, we'll make the outline of the sketch stand out and thicker and clean. So by doing that, we'll repeat on the line. I will rub a little bit to clear off the shabbiness of the sketch and make it light, a little bit light, so that when I apply the outline, the thick outline of the main drawing, they don't collide with each other. It gives it only one flow of the outline. So you do the linen going back in front of the face. Since the face is in 3D and it's sideways, from the perspective is from sideways, this is how it looks. After doing the outline and repeating on the rough light sketch, so we repeat on these eyebrows and the skin of the eye to make it look more realistic, a little bit realistic, and also make the eyelashes a little bit darker. Yeah, you realize that it's very simple coming up with this. There's no hard technique applied in this. I also make the left eye darker. We'll also do some little shading on the lips to give it a little bit realistic touch. Let's make this linen go down a little bit to give it a realistic view. I think we need to shade the linen. Let's do the shading and see how it looks like. I think the lower lip also needs some shading. Yeah, let's apply some shading on the lower lip. There is it. Yeah, back to the linen, giving it a realistic touch, a look of it being a clothing and not the part of the face. Yeah, just shading. The shading is simple and slightly. You tilt your pencil a little bit. Oh, and here a little bit protruding eyebrows. Yeah, to make the eye also look like it's somebody's eyes. Yeah, so you tilt the pencil a little bit. Use the side of the pencil to make the shading of the linen, and that's how it's done. Easy, simple, quick. Also do this part here, complete the linen to make it complete, and we will leave the highlights on the face. Wait a minute, I handled this lighting. The lighting is not good. Yeah, I think that one is great. So you continue shading the linen, making the curves right on the darkest place. Like here, there's a curve here. That's why I've shaded it a little bit darker. Yeah, remember the pencil is on a slanting position, and you just move the pencil on the paper slightly with no greater force in it. Yes, so there is a curve, so the linen needs to be dark, a little bit darker, to show the reflection of the light on the linen. It's very easy, it's very simple. After doing the shading, use a tissue paper to make it a little bit smooth and blend the shading so that the linen looks a little bit softer and giving it that touch. You can also blend the outer part, the other part of the linen, but not completely. I think it looks good without blending, but yeah, that is it. So you rub I rub this outer part since it's not the complete part of the artwork, and the main goal of this art piece was to show you how to draw the face of a girl. And that is it, guys. I hope you loved it, and this is the sketch, a quick random sketch to show you how to come up with the face of a girl from a 3D perspective when you're on one side of the girl.